I start at the beginning. So I got into manufacturing roughly 18 years ago. Started as a general laborer and then grew with the company. In 9 years, worked my way up to management. By year 18, I was running the entire manufacturing company in the tool and die shop. Did many jobs along the way and just continued to learn. Entrepreneurship was always my dream and what I worked for. Every day I got up with that entrepreneur mentality, and I think that's what I really love about manufacturing. Even as an employee, there's so much opportunity to come in and add value. So that really prepared me to take the plunge. So in January, I left the company I was with and bought into a company and have a 5-year runway to ultimately being 100% owner of that organization, EC Kissel. Manufacturing has provided me with the opportunity to provide for my family. So through hard work, I was able to take my family out of the neighborhood that we were in, which wasn't horrible, but it wasn't where I wanted to raise my kids, and move them into a better neighborhood, buy a house that we can all fit in, and just provided a sense of security. I never really had to struggle with finances. As long as I worked hard, overtime was always available. I was able to provide for my family. Ultimately, I came into EC Kissel as a partner, and in the next 5 years, I'll be 100% partner, but I totally plan on getting right back into succession. So who's gonna succeed me? Because I think that's something that was very critical and important during my career, to understand what was next for the company and what was next for me. So I wanna provide that for the people who I employ. It's for them to understand, although I'm young, what happens if, who steps in if, and also what happens when I retire. One of the things that makes me very proud is, I said this to a class in there, is we've all heard the song, started from the bottom, now I'm here. I literally started from the bottom socially. I came from Brooklyn, New York, in really bad neighborhoods, didn't go to college, didn't have the opportunity to, but worked really hard to get the education I needed for the job, and got really focused on that and becoming great at that. And the opportunities just continue to open up for me. So I'm very proud that with the hardships that I've had and the struggle that I've had, I've been able to still work through those and get to where I'm at today. It's something that I'm really proud of.